So we are going to see the differences between the parietal peritoneum and the visceral peritoneum. What are the differences? One, the visceral peritoneum is very tightly adherent to the viscera. So you cannot strip it off. Okay, it is very tightly adherent. How about the parietal peritoneum? Parietal peritoneum, actually outside that you have the abdominal wall, but in between there is extra peritoneal fat. So you can easily strip it off from the abdominal wall. One difference. Okay, very tightly adherent visceral peritoneum, very easily stripped off the parietal peritoneum. Okay, so one difference. The second difference is, where does it develop from? Okay, the parietal peritoneum, it develops from what you call as somatopleuric mesoderm. The lateral plate mesoderm, you would have learned in your embryology, you have somatopleuric and splanchnopluric layer of lateral plate mesoderm. Okay, so the parietal peritoneum, which is covering the entire abdominal cavity, that is developed from somatopleuric layer of lateral plate mesoderm. How about the visceral peritoneum? That is developed from the splanchnopluric layer of lateral plate mesoderm. Okay, so that is the second difference, depending upon the development, where it develops from. The third difference, because it is coming from these layers, the parietal peritoneum, we already said the nerve supply is from the somatic nerve supply. Okay, and it is sensitive to pain. How about the visceral peritoneum? Visceral peritoneum, actually it is not pain sensitive. Okay, when you open up the abdomen during the surgery and you are going to touch each structures, you are not going to have that pain sensation as such, but maybe if the organ is enlarging and it is very tightly adherent, it has no space to enlarge there. So due to that pressure sensation, sometimes you can sense a bit of pain, but actually when you say the touch or the pricking kind, that kind of pain sensation, it is not there for your visceral peritoneum. So these are the main differences between the parietal peritoneum and the visceral peritoneum. Okay.